Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and lime squeezer.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Anna is cooking salmon, then topping it with a summery salad. Slice the bigger blackberries, but leave the smaller ones as they are. We're going to keep one ear of corn raw and juicy. The other ear is going in a hot cast iron skillet. Those crispy, charred kernels are just what we want. Some of these little peppers are sweet, and some are spicy. You'll see. Now, it's salmon time. To help it cook evenly, gently press down. Chop the shishitos into blackberry-sized pieces. And that's salmon with salad in 5 ingredients. Let's eat!